Winter is coming. Hello folks. Yes, winter is on its way. It's not quite here yet. Still got all those lovely bright red leaves to fall on the grass. More work for me. But I'm fortunate enough to have a lovely dry garage to work in over winter, which is what I'm going to be doing. So today, I want to do more work on the front end of the 7R7. I got new brake parts. I now have my lovely new brake rotors from Rock Auto and some extremely blue brake pads. May have to paint them black because they're not going to go with my colour combination. Fits in very nice, perfect fit. Looks pretty spanking, I like it. Not the biggest brakes, but I shouldn't need too much braking power or braking force with this project. It's going to weigh about half a normal car. And these brakes are designed for like a Thunderbird, which is pretty heavy, so they should be fine. Big single calipers. They'll be getting painted red, the same as the back calipers, and this section here will get painted red. So they're going to look like huge brakes with a tiny rotor. It's kind of weird. Okay, what else am I doing today? Well, I have sourced a steering column. It is from a 240SX S13, round about that era. I got it, I'm getting it pretty cheap because the ignition barrel is, well, the key's broken. And it's going to be virtually impossible to get a replicated key, but that's okay because it's not really going to need a key. I'll wire up a big danger switch to make that work. It's also a tilt column, which means I don't have to worry about getting a detachable steering wheel. I can just flip it up if I want to get in and out, you know, if I get too fat. So that's the plan for today. I'm going to nip down to Hamilton. In fact, it's just along the road. It's only about 10 minutes away. And while we're there, we'll see what John is working on. He's the guy I'm getting it from. So I'll see you in a minute. Judging by the broken cars, I think we're here. Let's find John. I am great. Thanks a lot. Right, show me what you got. What's hiding under here?
280 ZX.
Oh, nice.
So steering.
Perfect. Well, I think it's perfect. I don't suppose you've got the nut to go on the top.
Yeah. I have one, but it's on my car actually. I don't have.
Oh, that's selfish. So I take it you don't have the key?
I do have the key, but it actually broke off inside, right?
So it's inside?
So it's actually still in there.
Okay.
But yeah.
Oh, that's fine. As I said, probably don't need the...
Yeah, you probably would.
Don't need that.
Anyways, right?
The only thing is that... Oh, it doesn't have the lock. I thought it would have the steering lock.
On it still, because that part's actually off of it right now.
Okay. Okay, so how does the tilt work?
The tilt has... Where's the mechanism for it? I believe... Let me look at mine.
What's under here?
A 280 ZX.
280, that was what I was talking about, yeah. Wow. That's gorgeous. So did the hood always have the offset vents like that?
Yeah.
So is that an intake or for cooling or what?
Just cooling.
I believe it's to like help cool the injectors and the revamp system. Keep the lines cool.
Oh, okay. Gorgeous wheels. Nice. Did you make this yourself?
Yep.
Just in case anyone doesn't know.
I mean, I used to have a big ugly black bumper like on the front.
Yeah, John was telling me it was
recessed in here. And
right.
Made it to more look like the 260s and 280s.
Right, John. Thank you very much,
Yeah, no problem.
and thank you for showing me your lovely car. And I'll see you at a show in spring or summer. I don't think
I hope you're at the track meet next year.
the track would be nice. I'm looking to get that thing on the road by middle to late summer.
That's why I'm hoping for one of the cars.
Okay, I'll race you. I'll race you to get them built. I'm not going to race you in the track.
Alright,
Okay, thank you very much.
no problem.
Take care, guys. Well, that was John and his father, who has a very nice 240 ZX Nissan job. Oh, it's windy. Let's get out the wind. Right, I better get home and see how I'm going to attach this steering column. Look at that, the sun came out. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, let's have a look at what we got. There we go, 240 SX steering column. Unfortunately, the lock for the tilt is gone. It is not there. So although it tilts, it doesn't lock. John did give me a huge discount because of that. Pretty much got it for scrap value, so I can make it work, okay? Back section has got this double bolt configuration. I'm presuming there's some sort of rag joint or something that goes in the end. I think I've got one, but it's not the right size. Hold on. I think it'll look something like this, but I don't know. I'll look it up. No biggie, I can always convert that just to a double D or something. 2 mount points there, 2 mount points there. Obviously I'll need to chop the barrel off. And once that's off, it is quite a slimline job. I like it. So all I need to do now is get a steering wheel boss, and then I can fit my little steering wheel. Lovely. Suppose I should clear some of this off the car and do a bit of a mock-up, see where this is going to go, and get a wheel on there and see how small that brake actually looks. Bungee cords, essential mock-up equipment. Let me cobble this together in roughly the right position and see how it looks like from the driver's point of view, okay? Right, let's see how this works. Now, bear in mind, still got a boss to attach, which is probably going to extend it about 3 inches this way. Also, remember, we are in full tilt up, so this will actually be down there-ish. Anyway, so as I say, that would be about there, and then down to there. That's pretty good actually. I'm quite happy with that. See, it's going to be crucial getting the right distance of the steering wheel this way and also to match the gear stick. The seat will go back and forward, but it's got to be a good combination of the steering reach and the gear stick reach, which I think is pretty spot on actually. And I still want to be able to see over the steering wheel through the imaginary window, which will be about this height. Yeah. Okay, good. Right, let's have a look at the routing for this and see how I'm going to get from this point all the way to the steering rack. So we need to connect this section all the way over to there. It's quite a length. Ideally, I would just like one bar going from there to there with some sort of support in the middle. The less joins you want, the better. The less, universal joints you want, the better. The great news is my exhaust will be at the other side of the car, so I've pretty much got all this free space to mount. I'll probably do a vertical bar going from there to there and then do a sort of rose joint in the middle. I've still got one of these support bars to go from here up to that corner, but I'm going to leave that for now because obviously I like the access for now. But I think that's what we're going to do. The only thing I'm not happy with at the moment is the angle of the steering rack spline shaft coming down the way. I would have to recreate these brackets just to tilt the whole thing kind of straight. There's no reason for that. That was obviously designed with something else in mind, and it was going to come through this hole. But I don't see the point in going down just to go back up again when I can come pretty much straight. And as I say, one universal join there, one universal join there. Support swivelly thing in the middle. Should be good. So for now I'm going to leave this as is. Obviously I'm not going to weld any brackets on yet because I need to get the boss for this. Get a steering wheel attached, make sure that's in just the right position before I start fabricating brackets. So that's all I'm doing with the steering for the moment, but I do want to get that wheel on and see how it looks. Nice. Okay, they do look a wee bit on the tiny side. Let's just call it stealth brakes, right? Hey, one more thing I want to do here is make sure that I've got enough clearance left and right. Turning right all the way. Cool. Goes to the full lock of the steering. Nothing is interfering that way. Full lock left. Yeah, full lock in the steering, nothing interfering. Lovely. Okay folks, it is now time for round 9 of
the PPG game.
On the last round, I asked if I was a party DJ, a barista, or a wine waiter. I was in fact a wine waiter. Not many people got that one right. This was one of my first jobs after leaving school, maybe the third job, and I was working in a very large Stackis hotel, Coylin Bridge Resort Hotel in Aviemore, Scotland. It was a pretty tough job, lots of hours, not a lot of sleep, but I made a lot of good friends, which I have completely lost touch with. If anyone recognises me, say hello. Okay, on to round 9. Yeah, round 9. Okay. Was I A, Chinese food delivery driver? B, a motorbike auction worker? Or C, a car salesman? Leave your answers in the comment section below if you want a chance of winning some Scott Rod's goodies. Okay, I need to go and order a steering boss. And I still have to get some steel to make to make everything really. I need some 1/4 inch or 3/8 steel plate to make some brackets. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.